Hey everybody, this is Kathy from Handmade, and I am coming to you today with an unboxing video. And I'm super excited for this box. This is my first unboxing video, and many firsts that I have with this box, so I'm super excited to show it to you. And let me just show you the box first, if you haven't seen it yet. As you can see, these are some of the sponsors for the box. Look what it says on the side. On the other side. And then on the back, this is with Susie from Sew Girlie Fun. And when you get your box, you can scan this QR code and it will take you right to all of her stuff. So in this box is everything that you're going to need to make the pattern. And let me just get it open. Let's get started. All right, so inside the box, you have some fun wrapping, some little crinkle paper, and oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, let me get this crinkle paper out, and then I'll show you a peek, and then I'll go in and show you everything that's in here. It's so cute. You guys are gonna die. Well, hopefully you don't die. Hopefully you're just super excited. All right, so here's this quick peek of all the stuff in the box. And let me just pull it all out and I'll show you what's in here. Okay, so first we have this giant spool of thread from Swag. And this one is lipstick red. The color is lipstick red. And there are 3,000 yards of yarn in this, or thread in this spool. 3,000 yards of thread. So you'll get one of those in your box. And this one is text 45. The options are text 45 or text 70. So depending on which machine you have and what it can handle, you can choose which thread weight you would like. Okay. Next, let me just show you the pattern that is included. This is the As You Wish, and this is by me. I'm super excited to have my pattern as part of this project box. This is a bag pattern that I designed specifically with this box in mind. There are some features in it that I designed to be reminiscent of different aspects of the movie. For instance, when you flip this flap up, there is a curved slip pocket right in the front there. And I made that to be reminiscent of Buttercup's neckline in all of her dresses in the movie. So there are just different little features like that that I try to include and incorporate into the pattern. And I'm just super excited to be part of this. So now, let's see, we have this cute little glittery pen from Sew Girlie Fun. And then we have these rose gold clips. If you can see, those are from Sew Stitch and Cold. Those were in the box. We have fabric. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. I'm so excited. I can't wait to make it. Okay, so there's a 1/2 yard of this fabric, which is waterproof canvas. Let me see if I can close up on it for you. So it's got all the different little themes from or quotes from the movie, little pictures, little graphics. So cute. And this is waterproof canvas. It is the softer waterproof canvas, so it doesn't have that thick plasticky backing on it. I know it's PU, I think it's PU back, but it's the more flexible one, so it won't make your lining too thick. So there's a 1/2 yard of this included in the box. So cute. And then there's a 1/2 yard of this fabric. This is canvas. You guys, look at that. Is that adorable or what? I can't even stand it. It's so cute. And let me tell you, all of this artwork was drawn by Susie herself. So this is all her own artwork. Look at that. It's like I look at these pictures and I see the scenes, I hear the scenes in my head, like inconceivable, and I do not think it means what you think it means. And yeah, this is gonna be so fun. Okay, so you have a half a yard of this. This is just regular canvas. And then there's a panel included. Let me show you what this panel says. As you wish. So that is super cute. This bag is gonna be adorable, you guys. I can't even stand it. Okay, now also included in the bag, or in the box, we have zipper tape with red teeth. So that's part of it. Then you have a regular, if you can see, just a gunmetal zipper pull. Then you have, you guys, this zipper pull by New Moxie. It says the Princess Bride on it. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And then this is also, I know I keep saying it about all the pieces, but oh my God. So this is the webbing that matches perfectly with the canvas. You can see that closer up. There you go. You guys, I can't even stand it. It's so cute. I can't wait to do this. Okay, then you also have the hardware that you're going to need for the straps. So you have 4 rectangle bars and then 1 slider adjuster bar. And then for the front of the bag, you have, it's a double heart turn lock. So that's an optional feature. A turn lock is an optional feature in the pattern. You could also make it with a snap. You could just have it as a flap. You don't have to have any kind of closure if you don't want it. And really, you could do whatever you want. So that's the gunmetal double heart clasp. Okay, now I will say with this pattern, let me just show you really quick. I have one option for this pattern. You can do the panel on the front. So you could have this as you wish panel be on the front of this bag, and then your double heart closure would be down here. You could also do it on this one, on the inside. You could have the panel here on the top. So when you open the bag up, it says as you wish right here. That would be really cute. The back of the pattern has a zipper pocket here. And so this is where, when I make my bag, I'm gonna put my Princess Bride zipper pull. I'm gonna put it on the outside of the bag here. And I haven't decided yet where I'm gonna put the different fabrics. I kind of want to do my bag, when I make this bag, I'm gonna be doing a video tutorial for this bag as well. So when I make my bag, I feel like I kind of wanna make a, like a reverse applique on the front. So if I could do this panel on the flap and then do this, you know, around it. And if you know how to do reverse applique, so I would stitch away around this and then I would cut it away, revealing this underneath. And then this would be the rest of my flap. I think that's what I'm gonna do, you guys. I'm gonna try it. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna cross my fingers and pray and do whatever I gotta do, spin around 3 times in hopes that it works. But I think it would be so cute and also a little rustic, which is kind of how I feel that movie is anyway. So I think that's gonna be so adorable. Yeah, so again, this is with Sew Girlie Fun. The thread, again, is from Saya Swag. The zipper pulls from New Moxie. These clips are from Sew Stitch and Cold. The pattern from yours truly. And the rest, the hardware, the fabric, again, Sew Girlie Fun. And I know that the pattern, in case you're wondering, the pattern will be available to purchase as a standalone pattern at a later date. That date is still to be confirmed as of this moment. So you can look forward to that. And then I know that this fabric will also be available also at a later date to be confirmed or determined as well. But you guys, when you see it, you're gonna die. You're gonna want all the fabric. These colors are so vibrant and so beautiful. And then this waterproof canvas, I think I'm gonna do this on the inside. I know this is gonna be my lining fabric. And just so great to like, just, you know, easy clean up. And you know how the inside of your bag sometimes gets little threads and pieces of paper and, you know, whatever else, but it'll just be real easy to just wipe it all out and clean it. And I can't even wait. I can't even wait to get started on this bag. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are as in love with this bag, and it's one of your most favorite movies of all time, like it is mine. And I hope that you have a lot of fun with this box, and just let your creativity go. You can add features, you can take away features, really, you know, make it whatever you want. And I know that there are 7 or 8 sewists who are going to be participating in the video tutorials. And I know each person is going to talk about how they're going to make their bag and what they're going to do. So hopefully you're able to watch all of those videos and yeah, just get inspired, just have fun, and support all of these wonderful small businesses, women-owned businesses. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in my sewing tutorial, and fingers crossed I get that reverse applique to work. So, all right guys, have a great day. I'll see you later.